Hi, Nerve Coach Mina here. Remember, I'm here to help you to regain your nerve function and become healthy and thrive into your nerve freedom. So I've created a 5-day nerve reset program for you, just a way to get you feeling how you can start working towards healthy nerves. So this program is 5 days. The 5-day nerve reset goes through 5 principles that I really truly believe that can help your nerves become well again. Step 1, we need to calm down that nervous system with vagus nerve and breathing exercises that I thoroughly explain and go over on that day 1 that you can implement. Day 2, we really learn about how nerves behave, how they're designed, how they work, how they operate. Day 3, we talk about what movement patterns are really going to serve you. I've got my first week of my core program in there and how you can get this architecture of your spine to really work well for you, whether you're sitting, lying down, or moving. Day 4 is looking at this wonderful food and how nutrition serves you and tips on how to really start getting into the nutritarian lifestyle to help those nerves live in a very healthy environment. And then the 5th day is really advocating for you towards your own nerve health. So remember, knowledge is power. The more you learn about your nerve health, the better off you're going to be. I personally went through this experience on my own, and that's what drove me to really start looking at in depth and studying all of the different studies that I've done to help myself get out of nerve pain that I was in, debilitating nerve pain. And all my patients have been benefiting from all of those things that I've learned over the last 33 years. And I want to pass that on to you in a systemized format. And the first step is getting you to start the 5-day reset program. When you do the 5-day nerve reset program, you've got tools to know that you know your nerves are not broken. Your nerves have capacity to change and they need the right environment to change. This 5-day nerve reset program will help you to see that roadmap and how you can start navigating step by step in a very logical way, because I truly believe that nerves do heal. I've seen it. It's scientifically proven. We just need a good method to help people get out of that chronic nerve pain cycle and slowly help them wean off of all the meds that they've been so dependent on and get you onto a healthier way, a preventative way of getting your nerves on the right track. So remember, the nerves need a healthy environment to thrive. That 5-day nerve reset program is giving you that healthy environment to thrive. Hope you come and join me on this journey and become fully free in your nerves, and you can slide and glide into your freedom. Sending you love and light. Take care.